Hey guys, Legendary Blue here. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the mouse BC circle something and you can't put anything in full screen and you can't finish your business because of that. So to fix that, I already fixed it but I'm gonna teach you how. First, you need to grab Windows 8, go to run msconfig. Okay. Disable all. After disable all, it's fixed. Just restart your computer. By the way, if you disable all, nothing will change on your PC. It's just the things that you don't use. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if this work.